Imagine pulling up in a vehicle that screams ultimate luxury, the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600. This isn't just an SUV, it's the S-Class of SUVs, designed to make every journey feel like first-class travel on wheels. Today, we're diving deep into what makes this beast so special, from its jaw-dropping performance to the insane levels of comfort that rival a private jet. Stick around because by the end, you'll see why this could be the pinnacle of automotive opulence. Let's start with the heart of this monster, the powertrain. Under the hood sits a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, paired with a mild hybrid system for that extra boost. It pumps out a massive 550 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque, rocketing you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 4.8 seconds, mind-blowing for something this size and heavy. But here's the magic, it's not just fast, it's effortlessly smooth. The 48-volt EQ boost kicks in seamlessly for instant torque, eliminating any turbo lag. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive, it handles corners with surprising confidence while gliding over rough roads like they're nothing. What really sets the Maybach GLS apart is its ride quality. The standard air suspension includes a dedicated Maybach mode that softens everything. It scans the road ahead and adjusts in real time, erasing bumps and potholes. You feel isolated from the outside world, floating in pure serenity. And if you're tackling light off-road or just want that commanding view, it can raise or lower the body for perfect clearance. This thing even has an e-active body control that leans into curves for even more comfort. It's engineering wizardry that makes driving or being driven an absolute joy. Now, step inside, and prepare to be blown away. The cabin is a masterpiece of luxury, wrapped in exquisite Napa leather with diamond quilting and intricate stitching. Every surface you touch feels premium, from the open-pore wood trim to the soft gloss. Close doors that shut with a satisfying whisper. The Maybach GLS prioritizes the rear seats, turning it into a chauffeured paradise. Opt for the executive 4-seat configuration, and the back becomes your private lounge with fully reclining seats, extendable leg rests, massage functions with multiple programs, and even heated armrests. There's a built-in refrigerator for chilling champagne, folding tables for work or dining, and holders for crystal flutes. A panoramic roof floods the space with light, and the 4-zone climate control keeps everyone perfectly comfortable. Technology is next level too. The massive MBUX infotainment system spans dual 12.3-inch screens, controlled by touch, voice, or gestures. Rear passengers get their own 7-inch tablets to manage everything from seats to entertainment. The Burmester 3D surround sound system with 27 speakers delivers concert hall audio, and ambient lighting with animated Maybach patterns sets the mood. Safety? It's loaded with adaptive cruise, lane keeping, blind spot assist, and even a feature that prepares for impacts. On the outside, the Maybach GLS commands attention with its towering presence, chrome-laden grille with vertical slats, and massive 22 or 23-inch forged wheels. Two-tone paint options make it look even more exclusive, and those illuminated running boards add drama when you step in or out. Price starting around $180,000, it's not cheap, but compared to rivals like the Bentley Bentayga or Rolls-Royce Cullinan, it offers incredible value for this level of refinement. Fuel economy sits around 15 miles per gallon combined, which is expected for the performance. If you're chasing the ultimate in luxury SUVs, power that thrills, comfort that pampers, and presence that turns heads, the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 delivers on every front. It's not just a car, it's a statement. What do you think? Would you choose this over the competition? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like if you're impressed, and subscribe for